Making money online through app sales and app stores has become a popular method in recent years. This method enables mobile app developers to design their own apps and sell them in app stores to earn income. App stores are online platforms where mobile device users can download apps. These stores are represented by platforms such as the App Store for iOS and the Google Play Store for Android. Apps developed for these stores are presented to users and published after being approved by the app stores. To make money by selling apps in app stores, the first step is to develop a mobile app. Mobile app developers should design an app that meets users' needs, is easy to use, unique, and functional. There may be a fee to sell apps in app stores. This fee can vary depending on the fee set by the app stores. For example, the App Store charges an annual fee of $99 for app publishing. The Google Play Store charges a one-time fee of $25 for app publishing. When selling apps in app stores, pricing is also important. Offering the app for free and using advertisements can increase the number of downloads. Offering the app for a fee requires considering both the price listed in the App Store and the deductions taken by the App Store. Another way to make money by selling apps in app stores is through in-app purchases. This option allows users to purchase certain features or content within the app. In-app purchases provide additional sources of revenue for app developers. As mentioned earlier, to make money by selling apps in app stores, you first need to develop your own mobile app. This process may be challenging for those without technical knowledge, but there are now many mobile app development tools available. Some offer easy-to-use tools without requiring coding knowledge. For example, platforms like AppyPie, Buildfire, and Shoutem allow users to create mobile apps without coding knowledge. Other tools such as Codular, Thunkable, and App Inventor can be used by those with minimal coding knowledge. After developing your mobile app, you need to upload it to app stores. App stores are a popular method for presenting apps to users. The two major app stores are the App Store for iOS and the Google Play Store for Android. However, there are other stores, such as the Huawei App Gallery and the Samsung Galaxy Store. App stores have various requirements for app uploads. For Apple's App Store, your app must meet certain quality standards and privacy policy criteria. You also need to decide whether to offer your app for a specific fee or for free. Google Play Store has similar requirements, but there is a different review process and fewer restrictions for apps to be published quickly. Another way to make money by selling apps in app stores is through advertising revenue. In-app advertising makes up a significant portion of the revenue generated from app stores. Many app developers allow users to download their apps for free and then generate revenue by displaying ads. In-app purchases are also an option for users. For example, in a gaming app, users can pay a fee to use certain features within the game. This can be another way to make money in app stores. Mobile app development and sales offer a popular and potentially lucrative way to make money online. However, to be successful, a good idea, a user-friendly interface, and an effective marketing strategy are essential. App stores provide app developers with access to a worldwide audience and facilitate payment transactions. Additionally, users can download apps safely and reliably through app stores. Pricing is also an important aspect to consider when selling apps in app stores. The pricing of the app can greatly affect its download numbers and revenue. Offering the app for free with in-app advertising can increase download numbers, while offering the app for a price must take into account both the app store's commission and the desired profit margin. In-app purchases are another way to generate revenue in app stores. Developers can offer additional features or content for purchase within the app, which can increase revenue. Developing and selling mobile apps in app stores can be a lucrative way to make money online. However, it requires a good idea, user-friendly design, effective marketing strategies, and an understanding of the app store's rules and requirements. Developers should also stay up to date with trends and focus on meeting user needs to create successful apps. With the right approach, app stores can provide a global platform for reaching a large audience and generating revenue. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Take care of yourself.